For Coobs.
Comms.
What? Oh, comms.
I'm in. Oh,
Okay.
thank Christ. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Flat right 200. Flat right 200. Right 680. Right 680. Right 680 and another right 6. Right 6. Yep. 80. Right 6 again. 80, left 5, long, tightens down. Left 5, long, tightens down, 150. Yep. 150, right 5 and right 4 into left 4. Right 5 and right 4 into left 4. Right 4 into left 4 and left 3 and left 3, 50. Crest is right 5 and crest is left 3. Right 5 and then crest is left 3, 80.
Left 3?
Yep, left 3, yep, 80. Right 6 tightens 100. Right 6 tightens 100. Crest and left 6 long tightens 5 up. Crest and left 6 tightens 5 up. Left 6 long. Yep, tightens 5 up into right 5 after. Right 5, 80. Crest is right 6, 50. Right 6, 50. And crest and left 5 long down. Crest and left 5 long down. Kinks 200. Kinks 200. Next call is crest and right 6 long. Crest and right 6 long. Exit over crest. Right 6 long. Exit over crest. Kinks 150 after. Left 6, 100 over crest. Left 6, 100 over crest. Left 650. Left 650 is next. Yep, 50. Right 5 and flat left 80. Right 5 and flat left 80. Crest is left 4 into right 3 down. Crest is left 4 into right 3 down. Rocky 80. Right 3 down. 350 after.
There's that.
Yep, there you go. Yeah, there it is. 350. 350. Right 680. Right 680. Yep, right 6. 80. Crest. And crest into left 3. 80. Crest and crest into left 3.
I did that again.
Left 3. Yep.
Pushed out on it.
Yep. And right 6. 120 over crest. 120 over crest. Right 650. Right 650. Left 5 long opens 100. Left 5 long opens 100. Long. Still in it. Flat right is your next call. Still in it.
Opens. Flat right.
Yep. Flat right 80. Right 4. Flat right 80. Right 4. Right 4 here. 350 break it driveway is next. 350 break it driveway right 5. 80 after. Right 5's your call. That's all right.
There it is.
Yep. 80.
That was a little puckery.
Left 6 and down right 3. Left 6 and down right 3. And left 3 after. Oh, we got it. We got an SOS, I think. SOS. Are you okay? Hey, okay? Okay?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, I think they're SOS. Okay. What do I hit?
Stop talking for a second.
Okay.
Did you hit SOS? Did you hit SOS?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then that's it.
All right. You want to pull up in front of them a little
hold
ways?
on. I'm going to pull up.
Damn it, boys, you're okay. That's all right.
Go up the road.
Yep.
Go up the road and stop them quick.
Yep.
Go.